In this question, we are given that on a certain non-stop trip, Marta averaged X miles per hour for 2 hours and Y miles per hour for the remaining 3 hours. We have to find out her average speed in miles per hour for the entire trip. Now we know that the average speed is equal to the total distance by the total time. Now, if she averaged X miles per hour for the 2 hours, so the distance she covered in the first half of the trip, let us denote that by d1, then that will be equal to speed into time, which is equal to x times 2. So the distance is equal to 2 miles that she covers in the first part of the trip. Similarly, the distance she covers in the second part of the trip will be equal to 3 times y, which is equal to 3y miles. Then the total distance will be equal to d1 plus d2, which is equal to 2x plus 3y, and the total time that she takes to cover the whole journey is equal to 2 plus 3 hours, which is equal to 5 hours. Then the value of average speed reduces to the total distance, which is 2x plus 3y, divided by the total time she takes, which is 5. So to be able to find her average speed, we should know the value of 2x plus 3y. So this is the rephrased question. Now let's move on to step 2 and analyze the statement 1. The statement 1 tells us that 2x plus 3y equals 80. Now this is what we were exactly looking for. So when we substitute the value of 80 in the equation here, we can find the value of average speed. Again, we don't have to find the value of the average speed, we just know that this statement is sufficient to answer the question. Hence, out of the given options, we can eliminate options B, C and E, since statement 1 is sufficient, and analyze what is given in the statement. In step 2, we have that y equals x plus 10. Now we can get multiple values of x and y for which this equation is satisfied. For example, the first value of y can be equal to 16, where x is equal to 6, and the equation y equals x plus 10 is satisfied. Similarly, I can get another value where y equals 12 and x equals 2, where the equation y equals x plus 10 is also satisfied. Since we are not getting any unique answer, we cannot find the value of average speed using the statement 2, and hence statement 2 is not sufficient. So the correct answer is option A.